We're looking at Karcher's T12-1 and T17-1 eco-efficiency tub vacs. These high-performance machines have special features to dramatically reduce energy consumption, noise, and to comply with the European energy ratings. At under 7 kilos, and with a carry handle on the top, swivelling casters at the front, and large wheels at the back, the machines are really easy to move around. The large on-off switch on the top can be foot operated to save time, and all operator functions are highlighted in yellow. A cable wrap keeps the power lead neat and tidy, and thanks to the kettle type plug, the cable can easily be replaced with just a screwdriver, without the need to call out an engineer. The machines use a special 750 watt motor that reduces electricity consumption by 40%, but only loses a tiny fraction of the cleaning performance. It's therefore ideal for daily use where carpets and hard floors are vacuumed regularly. And the exceptionally low noise makes the machines ideal for use in public areas and offices. These models have 12 and 17 litre capacity respectively, and access to the dust bag is simple. Just release 2 clips, take off the head, and remove the large filter. This filter also enables the machine to be used without a bag if the area being cleaned is fairly dust-free. The floor tool can quickly be switched when cleaning carpets or hard floors. The T12 and 17 eco-efficiency vacuum cleaners from Karcher, proving that great performance and true eco-credentials can go together.